Hello, and welcome to another video by Finley's Home Improvement. Today I will be showing where I did a bath remodel, removing a cast iron tub and tiles around and replacing with a barrier-free shower. I started my demo taking the tile off the wall. It was with cement board and drywall back to the studs, and as you can also see, I removed a 400-pound cast iron tub by breaking it up and taking it out in pieces. Now the customer did not want to remove the entire floor and do a true barrier-free walk-in shower, but I did explain to them I at least need to do 2 rows of tile just so I could waterproof right next to the shower, just so that we could save costs, number one, without taking that up, but also save the floor because it will get wet right there in that area. So also I just scraped up some of the thin set, smoothing it out some. This is me installing the cement board. This is 1/2 inch Durock put up with the screws that are used for Durock, not drywall screws, but cement board screws, especially made for cement board, 1/2 inch cement board. So I went up about 7 feet. That's what the customer wanted. Wanted to go up about 7 feet high. So installing, screwing it directly to the studs. The shower niche is not in the center, but that's what the customer wanted. Also to save on some costs from reframing and trying to put it in the center. Here's the cement board already installed and ready for waterproofing. I taped all my seams and put mortar on there to seal them with the cement tape. And then once that dried, went on with my waterproofing. Rolling on, of course, paintbrush in the corner. And then the other rolling on, making sure I got good coverage for the first coat. This is just the first coat. And I use a product from Lowe's, but there are many different products that can be used. I've used Red Guard before. I used the Schluter system before. They're all good. It's just the cost and what the customer wants to spend. But this is just as good as anything else. The second coat is going on. It dries pretty quickly. It dries to that dark green color. Once that happens, then you can go with the second coat, starting back in the corners and trimming everything out, and then rolling on the second coat. Also, this is cement board, so you really don't need 3 coats for cement board. If it was over drywall, you may could do 3 coats, but 2 coats is fine. You see my center mark where I wanted to center the tile with the niche and not the wall. And also another customer's request. I tell customers I don't decorate. I can do it this way and this way. There are pros and cons. The one con with doing it this way, there's going to be a little piece of tile on the right hand side, as you see, but the customer was fine with it. It's like it's going to be behind the shower curtain. Nobody's going to see it, and I'm paying for it anyway, so that's how I want it to look. So it's fine with me. Glass niche done. This is me also now installing the grab bars. I drilled the holes already. I'm filling the holes with a silicone in order to because I penetrated the waterproofing, so you got to put silicone in those holes or water will get in there. So, make sure you put a good amount in there. And so when you put your screws in, it will also help hold the screws in there. but the primary reason is for waterproof. You see the grab bar. The first grab bar is installed. I installed two. This is the one that the customer will use walking into the shower. And then I put another one on the back wall, and it's nice and strong. You see that big gut of mine, you can see it can hold a lot of weight. There is the second grab bar installed that the customer will use when they are sitting in the shower. They have a shower chair that they will use. The shower is complete. The customer loves it. They love the towel. They will be ready to use in a few hours. I told them give the shower a little time to cure up in a couple days, and they will be able to use it. And I'm making this video a little bit later, so they have used it and love it. They love it. Finley's Home Improvement, barrier-free walk-in shower.